What's happening, YouTube? My name is Kyle. Welcome back to DIY Buildouts. Today is about the scrapwood bin. I'm utilizing a bunch of the scrapwood material that was sitting in the corner of my garage and turning it into useful pieces for the house. For example, I have 4 states, here's 2 of them, that I built out of the scrapwood bin. So, if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. So sorting through my scrapwood bin, I found these 2 pieces of wood. They just happen to look like the state of Tennessee and then the state of Florida minus the panhandle section. But I can simply add that on later. So instead of throwing them out, I decided to bust out my new Wen scroll saw and go to town making some shapes. I just freehand sketched the states. I pulled up a photo on Google and then just roughly traced it in until I was happy with it before I finished out the actual design using the scroll saw. So I'm going to shut up now and let you enjoy some high-speed cutting. Now the crazy cool part about the state of Tennessee is that because it's bordered by the Mississippi River, the western edge of Tennessee actually looks like that. No, I didn't mess up. That is what the state actually looks like. So after that, I moved on to the state of Florida. Here I am cutting out the main portion, and then I'm going to add on the panhandle next. You know, going through your scrapwood bin also has other benefits. It allows you to actually find shims and level off some tables that you've been putting off. Then, like any woodworking project, before you paint it, you gotta sand it. So I took a 150 grit sandpaper block and just knocked off all the high edges. Painting for this project was actually kind of easy. I just cheated and used white spray paint. The only drawback to this is it has a lot of odor. At least the cheap cans that I bought had a lot of odor. So these pieces had to sit out in my garage for about a week before the spray paint smell actually went away. So if you want something that comes inside sooner, use something with a lot less VOCs. You can buy a high quality paint. Again, this was the 99-cent spray paint that you buy at like Walmart, I think. It had been sitting in my garage forever, so I just decided to go ahead and actually use it and get it out of the way. Then I moved on to the other states of Arizona and Ohio, so here I am knocking those out as well. Okay guys, that's all for this one. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below. Also hit that little bell icon if you actually want to be notified when I post future projects. This video is a nice short and sweet video. It's part of a micro series I have going on about things you can build from your scrapwood bin. So rather than having all this debris sit in the corner of my garage, now I have beautiful states hanging on my wall. These 4 states I've happened to live in and I have a driver's license for, or I've had a driver's license for, I should say. So that's why I made these 4 particular states. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, leave a comment. Let me know what you think I could do better next time. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.